Plants may seem silent and still, but they are masters of communication. They have a secret language, a world of signals invisible to our eyes. These signals are plant hormones, chemical messengers that orchestrate every aspect of a plant's life. From the moment a seed sprouts to the time it bears fruit, hormones guide its growth, development, and survival. Just like animals, plants use hormones to respond to their surroundings. They can sense light, gravity, temperature, and even touch. These environmental cues trigger changes in hormone levels, allowing plants to adapt and thrive. It's a remarkable system of communication, one that has allowed plants to conquer every corner of our planet. Imagine a tiny seedling pushing through the soil. It needs to reach the sunlight to survive. But how does it know which way to grow? The answer lies in a hormone called auxin. This is just one example of the fascinating world of plant hormones. Each hormone plays a specific role, and together, they create a complex and beautiful symphony of growth and life. Auxin is a plant hormone that acts like a growth signal. It tells plant cells to elongate, allowing the plant to bend and grow in a particular direction. This process is beautifully illustrated by a phenomenon called phototropism. Have you ever noticed how plants always seem to lean towards the window? That's phototropism in action. When light shines on a plant, auxin moves to the shaded side of the stem. This causes the cells on the shaded side to elongate more than those on the lit side. As a result, the plant bends towards the light, maximizing its exposure to this vital energy source. But auxin does more than just help plants find the sun. It also plays a crucial role in root development, fruit growth, and even wound healing. In many ways, auxin is like the master conductor of the plant's growth orchestra, directing and coordinating various developmental processes. Auxin's ability to stimulate cell elongation has also been harnessed by humans. Synthetic auxins are used in agriculture to promote root growth in cuttings and to prevent premature fruit drop. This hormone, discovered through careful observation of plant behavior, has revolutionized modern agriculture. Imagine a plant hormone that acts like a fountain of youth, keeping leaves green and delaying the aging process. That's the role of cytokinins, a group of hormones that promote cell division and differentiation. Cytokinins are essential for plant growth and development. They stimulate the formation of new cells in the meristems, the active growing points of plants. This continuous supply of new cells allows plants to grow taller, produce more leaves, and develop a robust root system. But cytokinins also have a remarkable anti-aging effect. They delay senescence, the natural aging process that leads to leaf yellowing and death. By maintaining chlorophyll production and delaying cell breakdown, cytokinins help keep plants looking green and healthy for longer. This anti-aging property of cytokinins has sparked considerable interest in the cosmetics industry. Researchers are exploring the potential use of cytokinins in skincare products to combat wrinkles and promote a youthful appearance. Have you ever witnessed the incredible growth spurt of a bamboo shoot or the rapid elongation of a sunflower stem? These dramatic growth spurts are driven by gibberellins, a group of hormones that promote stem elongation, seed germination, and flowering. Gibberellins act like growth accelerators, stimulating cell elongation and division in plant stems and leaves. They are particularly important for plants like grapes and celery, where long, slender stems are desirable. But gibberellins also play a crucial role in breaking seed dormancy. When a seed absorbs water, it triggers the release of gibberellins. These hormones activate enzymes that break down stored food reserves, providing energy for the embryo to grow and emerge from the seed coat. The discovery of gibberellins has had a profound impact on agriculture. Synthetic gibberellins are used to increase fruit size in seedless grapes, promote uniform germination in barley for beer production, and even speed up the growth of some timber trees.